Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, I got a project to do today, but I gotta show you something that's gonna make you sick to your stomach. I lifted that thing up to take it out of here, and I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear it break, but look at that. And it's on there. I upgraded him to a B plus or B minus. He's back to a C minus. This may be a D. That plywood is just... That's not what the video's about today, by the way. I'm going to have to put, like, some JB Weld in there where the leg was and fill it, sand it, and drill it and put the leg back on. But now I'm just like, how did that even happen? Like, I lifted it up, carried it out, and I'm trying to put it down, and I'm like, why does it feel like it's tipping? Because you're missing a leg. Anyway, that's not what we're doing today. Remember when I said I was stuck in my room for 7 days and I went shopping online? I bought more stuff. It finally showed up. So this is another decal, but these are those cool labels, those little French labels. I have a bone to pick about these though. Okay, so these are some transfers of like vintage labels, cafe and all that stuff. They don't give you a sheet that shows you all the labels that they have. This is the design that they show you. Like, that's how you're supposed to know what's in there. It's extremely small, extremely blurry. I'm looking at it, I'm trying to like figure out what the designs are. And Victoria goes, well, I could probably see it because I have good eyes, Mom. And she goes, this is really small. It's really small. Because when you open it, there's the thingy to put the stuff on. And then there's instructions that don't even show the right image. And then there's just the images. You just have to pull the whole thing apart and start unraveling this. And I didn't like that. I was like, just give me a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that shows the images so that I can kind of go, huh, this is what I want. I like this one. Maybe I'll use this on this project. This is how I have to now figure out what I'm going to use. I have to open up all the sheets, right? And there's 3 of them. 3 sheets in there. 4, 3. 3 sheets. I got to go through and look at all the images and try and decide what I want. I know what I want. I do know what I want. And we're going to do a project with these today. But even when I ordered them, like their online images didn't really show all the images. And then I went looking for possible like inspiration. The only thing I saw people using these on were flower pots. I did not buy a flower pot. I bought something else. I'm going to use the bee, by the way. I love the bees. I love them. I love all the little bumblebees, the queen bee thing, that whole look. So I'm going to use the bee on my project today, and I'll show you what I'm going to use it on. Now, you would think that having an entire garage full of inventory means I would have something that I could put this on. No. I went out there, started picking through some stuff, and there wasn't anything in my vintage stuff that I really wanted to put a decal on. You know what I mean? It's like, that's my vintage stuff. I don't want to mess it up. And I thought about like canisters, like just some cheap canisters, some white canisters. So I either had to go to the thrift store and buy some canisters and I don't know. Well, today I was at the Dollar Tree and I found this. This is Dollar Tree Plus, I think it's called, where everything is like between $3 and $5. This was one of the $5 ones. But how cute would this be with a little bee? Or this way, I don't know. I gotta figure out which way I want my handle to go. I think I want it this way. Yeah, I see it like this. Like if I had flowers in it, I see it with the handle on this side and the bee right there. So we're gonna decal this. This is my project for today. It's another small project because I'm still not 100%. Like I got home from work today and I told my husband, I said, I'm feeling like scratchy throat and I don't want that. I don't want to get sick. Maybe it's the stress from losing a leg on my other project. Let me grab my scissors because we definitely have to cut this image out. And I'm also going to grab some painter's tape to hold it in place. So scissors, painter's tape, decals, and then this, and we should be good to go. If I use my fabric scissors, I'm not happy about it. I don't know what happened to my other scissors. I thought they were right here. They are not, clearly, because I've looked there several times and they're not going to manifest. I keep looking in the same spot because my brain is going, that's where they should be. And when they're not where they should be, it's just like itchy brain. Anyone else get itchy brain? Like my brain's like, oh. It's supposed to be there. It's supposed to be there. And then, okay, I'm going to pick a bone with these people again because like the cut lines, they're little grid lines. The image goes over the grid line. Again, my sticky brain wants to cut along the line, but I can't because I'm going to cut the end of my laurel leaf off if I do that. I feel like sometimes manufacturers in the DIY space or like Prima Marketing, different paint companies, craft places, like they miss an opportunity because if I wasn't me and going, you know, I want to buy everything and try everything, right? And I was looking at this product, I would be going, what would I use that for? And the only thing they had were flower pots. Well, if I'm not a flower pot girl, then what? You lost my sale, right? Because I'm like, let's say I'm not like a creative person or, you know, there are people that literally they look at Pinterest because they have no way to visualize something. They need to see it. And I'm thinking, I'm like, do they use these labels on furniture and how are they using them? And I mean, I thought about using one of these wood cuts. So I had some of these wood cuts, maybe putting like the Rue la 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 Paris, whatever it is. You can tell I speak French, la 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 la. So I may do one of those signs kind of thing, or like I said, the canisters. And I think that's something from Julie's Signs and Designs had done, was a canister. But then I'm like, well, there's got to be other creative ways to use these products, right? And literally nothing. Like their image on this instructions isn't even for the product that I bought. It's just basic instructions using this floral. And I'm like, like, really kind of limits me, right? Like I get inspired by other people's projects. I don't ever want to like directly copy somebody's project, but I do get inspired by watching other people and go, oh, I could use it on this, or I could use it on that. So I get really frustrated when there's a limited amount of information out there. Paint companies too, like I want to see how they layer the paint or how they blend the paints or how they're, you know, how are people using the paints? And instead it's like, here's a dresser painted blue. Nothing, no blending. No, anyway, I could gripe about this all day long. But that won't get the bee put on here, will it? Oh, it's going to fit perfectly in that little space between. Oh, okay. So now, we all know Stacy has a problem with straight lines, right? So I'm going to have to eyeball this. I'm going to tape it to the side, but look how cute that is. Oh, with some flowers in there. I'm probably not going to sell this. I'd have to charge at least $10 because it's a $5 Dollar Tree thing. So let's get this placed on here. It's crooked. Is it crooked? Yeah, it's crooked. I'm really not good at straight lines. Oh! The image came off. The wing came off. That's probably on me, huh? My leg came off. All right, I'm having a bad day, I think. So the day that you're watching this is the Tuesday that I got to do the Picket Fence Gals tour. So if you guys want to watch the Picket Fence Gals tour live, it's 7 p.m. tonight on their Facebook page. I'll be there. Dang it. Well, we got to pick a different image. Give me a minute. Got to look at them all again. All right, I picked this one. And I don't even care anymore. I'm annoyed. I love the bee. There are other bees on there, but they're not in laurel wreaths. They're not what I want. Let's rub it on there. I don't care. I'm so sad right now. Between the leg. I'm literally gonna have to like put that thing on its back and Bondo the crap out of it. Well, I'm going to use JB Weld. I'm not going to use Bondo, but... Oh, it's wrinkling. Of course it's wrinkling. Why wouldn't it wrinkle? Just want my bee. Let's face it, if this is the worst thing that happens to me today, I had a pretty good day. All right? I kind of like the Dollar Tree Plus. Like Five Below. It's basically Five Below. But the first time I encountered the Dollar Tree Plus, I did not realize that they were different prices. Now they've started to mark the bottoms of them. Before it was just like the shelves were marked the first time I saw the Dollar Tree Plus. And I was like, what? Why is that so expensive? It's not expensive, right? Because I was expecting it to be $1.25. All right, I'm going to peel. See if it comes up. Nope, not even coming off. Sure, now this one doesn't want to come off. Oh, my finger. How did it get stuck to my finger? I don't know. I didn't get my finger under there, but look, there it is. I don't want to talk about it. Mistakes were made. I've got it on my lap because I'm trying to get this like to peel up. And then there's like, as I'm peeling it up, there's little piece. I have gone over this thing all over the place. And I'm still having to do this. Twas but a fevered dream, literally. Like me ordering all these bloody decals was me on a fever. Poke a hole in this bubble. Oh, I just pressed it down till it snapped. Okay. There's another one. I'm not gonna be happy till I get that bee on my... I'll end up ordering another bee. So here we are. It's fine. I don't hate it. I just don't love it. It's got bubbles all over. But it's fine. I know. I'm disappointed too. I really, really wanted to love it. I also really want to love that nightstand, but I'm going to have to do some repairs on it. I can't even. This is just a major disappointment for me. So I was so excited about the bee. But this will be cute with some flowers in it. Some peonies in it. I can sell this. It's fine. Just get my money back. I'll put $5 on it. I'll put $6 on it. How's that? I'll make $1. Because I did put this on there. That's worth $1. Just so upset. Can't believe I wrecked the bee. Well, it just shows you not every project's a winner. Not everything goes right. And sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. If everything went right, you'd never learn anything. I learned a valuable lesson today. Unfortunately, the bee lost its life in the process of Stacy learning something. But this will be cute. There'll be somebody who likes the little scripty scrolly thing. I'll sell it. If I do get another bee, I will pick up another one of these at the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.